Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, La Vida with Kim. And today guys, I have a handbag unboxing. I am so excited guys because I couldn't help it. I went and got this bag and it just came in. I actually bought it online. I did go to the Coach store. Okay, let's just start blabbing. I did go to the Coach store to return the other swinger, remember? The one that was like defective. And while I was in the store, I got to see the Soho 25 guys. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. If you want that bag guys, go get it because it is just beautiful. The only reason I didn't get it, giving you clues to what I got, the only reason I did not get it is because since I already have the swinger, it's almost like, you know, same style bag. The 25 obviously is bigger, but it's gorgeous, guys. So since I already have this one, I was like, I don't need the other one, you know, even though it's beautiful and I was so tempted, guys. If you want that Soho 25, guys, go get it. It is beautiful. I saw this pre-launch day. They already had it in the store. They had the little heel sandal, which was so cute. But I'm more of like a flat sandal type of girl, so I didn't get those either. If they had them on flat sandals, oh my gosh, I would have got them too. And I got to see a little wallet, which was so cute too, but I did try to put it in there in my swinger and it took up a lot of space, so I was like, you know what, I'm good on it. If they would have had just like a flat card holder, I would have totally got it. It would have been perfect for, you know, they are dropping smaller size crystal bags, so they should have dropped like a crystal card holder or something. So yeah, so I got to see the Soho 25. I saw the Swing 20, which I actually didn't like. It just looked kind of like cheap to me. It is cute because, you know, it is crystal, but it's just not for me. I don't know, I didn't really like it. Like when she took it out and like the straps were just like everywhere, it just kind of looked like, I don't know, kind of cheapy to me. I just wasn't impressed. Not for me. You know, everybody has their own likes, you know, so it just didn't work out for me. So yeah, so I returned the swinger. I think that was it. So yeah, what else did I get to see? I think that was it. So I returned my swinger. So I wish I would have recorded, guys. I was in a rush because I had like 20 minutes to go return the bag and then go pick up my kids because they were gonna get out early that day. So yeah, oh my gosh. But guys, that Soho 25, it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I want it so bad. But I was like, I already have that one. So oh well, guys, maybe in the future time, I don't know. So yeah, guys, so after blabbing a little bit about that, guys, if you can guess, the only bag that's left is the Soho flat bag, guys. That is the one I got, guys. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, guys, I actually got it from Dillard's. I know they just dropped I believe I saw the Soho 25 in the Coach website and the Swing 20. That is the only ones I saw. I didn't see this one that I got and the swinger regular size either. The girl in the store, when I returned the swinger, she actually told me they are not bringing the larger size bag, so I was like, oh, thank God I got it. So yeah, that was my little experience returning the bag, guys. I got to see those in person. I was so happy. I'm so into these crystal bags, guys. They are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, Coach, keep bringing them out in different silhouettes. That would be awesome. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so freaking excited and I hope everything comes out good with this bag because, guys, I don't have a Dillard close to me, okay? The closest one is like 2 hours away. So if I have to return, I had to make that drive because I can't just return it in the mail because that's always a mess. So I hope everything goes well. Okay, let's open it. So here is the box, guys. It says Dillard's. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. She is swimming in here. I got my handy dandy crafty knife. Oh my god. I couldn't help myself, guys. I couldn't. I just had to get this bag. Okay, she's all opened up. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Thank you for shopping at Dillard's. And by the way, guys, this is actually my first Dillard's purchase. Can you believe it? Never have I ever purchased from Dillard's. Okay, so it has the little receipt note thing right here. Signature card. Soho bag. Oh my gosh, guys. I got a little sneak peek. Ooh. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, guys. This is a Soho flat bag, guys. There's a Soho 25, and then there's this one, the larger size. Guys, oh my gosh, let's open her up now. So the reason I went for this one was because I wanted to have a smaller bag and then a bigger size bag. So if I feel like using the crystal bag, you know, depending whatever day, I got 2 different sizes. I have it backwards. Okay, so, ooh, oh my gosh, guys. Guys, just look. Look. You know, I have to do my rhinestone check. Give me a sec. It's a little fuzzy.
1 hour later.
Okay, so everything seems to be checking out so far. So guys, oh my gosh. She has a strap. Let's take this off. It wasn't clipped on. My bad. So she has a strap and it is detachable, guys. As you can see, this is awesome because I can convert it into a crossbody if I want to. I love that. That was another reason why I love this bag, because it does have a detachable strap. I can use the chain, maybe I'll try it on in a bit, or something longer. So yeah, I love that. Oh my gosh, guys. And one of my main reasons why I decided to go for the Soho bag instead of the Hamptons was because, guys, this is magnetic, okay? Instead of the little lobster clamp, whatever it's called, that you have to be dealing with all the time to remove, I can't do that, especially because I always have nails on. I can't do it. So this works perfect for me, guys. Oh my gosh. The strap is detachable. On the Hamptons, it is like a little belt buckle style. So guys, oh my gosh, I just had to choose this one. I had to choose this one. So let me take this off so you guys can see the little, look at that. So easy. I need to take all this off. Hold on. Beautiful. Let me examine real quick again.
Moments later.
Yeah, everything seems good to go, guys. Oh my gosh, she is so cute, guys. She is giving me like those vibes, you know, bringing back the old times. Beautiful, guys. Look at her. This is a side view. This is the back view. It's just so gorgeous, guys. I love how the brown looks just with the rhinestones. It is so beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, I fell in love with the 25 as well, guys. But I was like, I already have that one, so I went for the bigger one. So I have one, you know, of each to give it variety. Guys, this bag is freaking gorgeous. Do not think it twice. If you want it, go get it. If you want the 25, go get it. Trust me, I don't have that one, but I did see it in person and it is gorgeous. You are not going to regret it, guys. This whole bag in itself is a whole statement, guys, literally. So look, I lifted it. Look, they didn't put no rhinestones there. I guess, whatever, but it looks kind of like weird without rhinestones or nothing, but I get it, you know. So this is an interior. It has a fabric lining. Look at me trying to talk all fancy. It has a dust bag in here. Cute. The stuffing. Let's take it out. So this is how it looks inside. It has a little history tag right there. It has a zipper pocket. Look at that. I didn't even know that. Look at all that space, guys. So this is obviously going to be my carry when I want to use my crystal bag and I need more space than the swinger. So has a zipper pocket with the care cards. Oh guys, and I also noticed, I looked at these like after I was done doing my video with the swinger, and I noticed it says, let me find the English one so I can read it. It says, do keep this in mind when you are buying, okay? It says, please note, due to the special construction and natural characteristics of this product, the crystal embellishments may fall off over time. Wear with care, away from excessive friction. So they are saying those rhinestones are going to fall off, which is something you always have to mention. I know as a, crafter or bedazzler, a lot of people always expect those rhinestones to last forever, and they do last according to how you prep the item and you apply the rhinestones. But over time, things are meant to be used and something's bound to happen to it, Nothing lasts forever, you know what I mean? So that is expected. Sadly, we have to admit the truth, guys. Hopefully it does last forever. And guys, I'll find those rhinestones and reapply them if I have to, We just have to accept it, So just keep that in mind. Some might fall off in the future depending how you care for your bag. And I have to admit, I am not the one to be holding my bags on a pedestal. I just throw them everywhere and I use them, and so yeah, I don't know how it's gonna go with this bag. Maybe I'll give you guys like a year update or something. We shall see, guys. But oh my gosh, she is just gorgeous, guys. And then she does come with the tags as well. It says Coach, and the back one says the Soho flap, limited re-edition 2006. Nothing on the back. I want to go get the like the custom tags. Oh my gosh, that would be so cute. I want to get one done. So yeah, guys, she is so cute. Look at that. She looks pretty spacious. I think she looks pretty spacious. I love that I can just easily open her up. So convenient. So beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. I totally do not regret it. I love her. Everything seems to be perfect. I love that I can switch the strap if I want to. Let me see how it looks with the chain, because when I saw the Soho 25, guys, I know I just keep talking about it, but she was just so gorgeous. And the fact that she comes with a crossbody strap as well, that silver chain, guys, I loved it. I loved it. Oh my gosh, but I did go with this one. I love this one too. So I have the chain from my swinger right here. And you know what? I could also leave it as a like front chain as well. Give it a little, a Soho 25 style look. Like that look. Or it might be a little bit too long. Maybe I'll use a smaller chain. But guys, look at that. She looks so cute. This is a swinger chain. So cute. I can also leave this strap on. And look at that. It might be too long, but she looks so cute still. I'm getting those swinger 25 vibes. I just love how I had the chain and the strap, guys. So cute. Look at that. Ooh. Just use it like this. Cute, right? It still looks so adorable. Same color. So cute, guys. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. And we have to add a charm just to get a little vibe. Let's add Chippendale, guys. Chippendale is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I finally got him. Oh, he's too big. These charms are ginormous, guys. Look at that. I wish he fit like that. Maybe I'll figure something out. But look at that. Oh, so cute. So cute, guys. Oh my gosh. I'll have to switch something out. Figure it out, guys. But she is just too cute, guys. I love her. She is perfect. If you want this bag, go get it. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. You will not be disappointed. Look how she shines. So cute. Oh my gosh, guys, I am obsessed. I am so happy I pulled the trigger and got her. So cute, guys. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm just obsessed with these crystal bags. They're so gorgeous. The prices are reasonable. I feel like the bag is the whole outfit in itself. It's the whole statement. It's the only thing you need, guys. If you know me, I'm always in just a t-shirt, jeans, my Crocs, and my bags are my statement, you know. So she's beautiful. I love her so much. So guys, I am so happy with my purchase. If you want her, go get her. If you want the Soho 25, go get her. She is so beautiful. You will not be disappointed. Listen to me. Listen to what I'm saying, okay? So oh my gosh, guys, I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. Let me know if you're gonna go get a bag. If you already have one, let me know down below. Leave me a lovely comment. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.